Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel Zara order before shipping. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Zara mobile app to locate your recent order and cancel it before it's dispatched. Because cancellations are time sensitive, it helps to act quickly. Start by opening the Zara app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the same account you used at checkout. Orders are linked to that account, so you won't see the right history otherwise. A strong internet connection and the latest app version also help everything load smoothly. Once the app opens, look to the bottom menu and tap Account in the lower right corner. This section is where your personal details, saved addresses, and order activity live. Tapping Account brings you to the hub you'll use to review orders and manage changes. Next, tap Purchases. In some regions, this may be labeled Orders or Purchase History, but it serves the same purpose. Inside, you'll see a list of your recent orders with dates, totals, item thumbnails, and a status such as processing or preparing. Find the order you want to cancel by checking the item names, order date, and current status. Tap that order to open the details page. If the order has not shipped yet, you should see a cancel option on this screen. Select Cancel, then Confirm when prompted. After you confirm, the status should update to reflect the change, and you'll receive a confirmation in the app and by email acknowledging the cancellation. Some orders may not support partial cancellations. In that case, the option applies to the entire order. If you don't see a cancel button or it's grayed out, it usually means the warehouse has begun preparing the package or it is already shipped. In those cases, cancellation may no longer be available. You can still review the return options listed with the order once it is delivered and within the return window. Availability and wording can vary slightly by region, so don't worry if labels look a little different. A few timing notes can help set expectations. Refunds generally go back to your original payment method. Banks and card issuers may take several business days to post them. If you paid with a gift card or store credit, the value typically returns there. Keep an eye on your notifications and order history for updates as the status refreshes. For best results, cancel as soon as you know no longer need the order, refresh the purchases screen if it seems out of date, and verify you're checking the correct account. That's it. Quick, simple, and focused on catching the order before it ships. Thanks for watching, and good luck.